I broke my Harley.
Hello everybody, welcome to Marty Motoring. Unfortunately, I broke my Harley Davidson. I'll show you what happened in a second, but what I'm trying to do is get this thing fixed and back on the road for Bike Week. Bike Week, Ocean City, Maryland. I talked about it in another video. I'm going with my friend Steve. It's called like Ocean City, Maryland Rock and Ride or something like that now, but it's 9 o'clock at night and tomorrow we're leaving, so I gotta get this fixed. And if I don't, I guess I'm just going to be riding around on Steve's Grom, which I kind of want to bring my Harley. So let's see if we can get this fixed.
The explosion slash mess that I made. This is what happened. The rear caliper, or I'm sorry, the rear master cylinder that sits here, there's a little adjustment that goes here, and I got the bike inspected. It's all good to go. I went to adjust this and just sheared off the whole metal. So here is the original master cylinder. And you can see it's just sheared right off. It is really hard to source. There's none available in the US. Only used, wouldn't get here in time, and it's kind of a bad design. They updated it in later years. So instead of just replacing it, you know, waiting a week, paying $200, I got a cheap one to rig up. This is the piece from the Harley. It goes into that eyelet thing there, and I tapped it. New threading that goes into this. So now this piece, which actually lines up, can be used. Now I'm gonna have to bleed the system, or just the rear caliper, and this will actually have a remote reservoir rather than down there getting heated up by the exhaust. This will sit a little bit higher up here and just be a better design. That's how the street rods are. The Street 750 just, yeah, they don't make parts for this anymore. It's super hard to find, so I'm gonna use a pretty common ATV slash motorcycle master cylinder. Done a lot of upgrades to this bike. You might notice I do have the saddlebags on. This actually folds down and it'll look good once it's on the road. They are from Thrash and Supply. I'm really happy with them for the price and the quality and everything. Now it is 10 o'clock, an hour later. I finally got this on. I had to tap this so the threads for this would fit in here, and then I had to also tap that adjustment barrel. This is working. Like, I have a working rear brake. I think we're gonna make it. All right, and an hour later, deaf, numb, all the above, and I made it. This is what I did here. I just strapped down my backpacks, one with clothes, one with all our electronics, cameras, and I got the saddlebags. Now we're gonna load it onto Steve's. Looks like we're not taking the Raptor, we're taking the F350. Load it onto his trailer here, and then we can head down. All loaded up. So it's the next day, and we brought the bikes out for breakfast. And now I'm here with Steve and Dave, and we got the bikes in front of the bridge. Just a really cool view. Nice ride this morning. It's a little warm, but once you get moving, it's pretty nice. Out here in the water, we got Steve's Iron 883. We got my we got my Street 750. This is a Sportster, this is a Street. And then we got Dave's Honda. Got breakfast, and now we can pretty much ride all day if we want. And stop number 2. It's nice out here, Assateague Island. Saddlebags have come in handy for sure. made it to the inlet after cruising around for a bit. Bike is in one piece still. Gonna just check out the whole scene. It was my first time here, so made it to the next stop on our ride, a little bit farther out, but got to the Harley dealer and just gonna hang out. What do you think, Steve? You getting a new bike?
Nope.
Happy with the 883?
Everything I need.
Yeah. Primo parking by the little entrance here on the main road.
What's everyone doing tonight? All right, well, we cruised around all day, pretty tired back here. Gonna go to sleep and do it all again tomorrow.
Got to the inlet. Steve is filming. Waves are going. It's looking good. Perfect weather. We can enjoy some time by the ocean. Got a nice little morning ride in. And yeah, it's definitely busier today. Today's Saturday, so let's see what we can get into. Got prime parking. And here we are getting some drone shots. It's pretty scenic over here. Steve's got his Iron 883. I got my Street 750 and a nice sunset on a beautiful day. It's a little breezy, blue skies. Really cannot complain right now. This is what it's all about. These are the things that I always remember about coming to the ocean, just like the sunsets and hanging with friends, cruising, eating good food, all that stuff. Man, the bike looks great and has performed great. Out here my first bike week, first time having a Harley. Yesterday we cruised around, today we cruised around, now we're all tired, but it's been super fun. Tomorrow we're gonna leave, but this is what it's all about, just enjoying cruising, sunset, and just having a good time. All right, and we're back. I'm gonna take the journey home, get all this loaded up, and then the trip will officially be over. We got the truck back, got the trailer back, got it unloaded, and now I get to drive or ride an hour home, and hopefully it holds up. Definitely a fun trip. So if you enjoyed this video, definitely drop a comment below, let me know. If you want to see more, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button to follow along with future videos. And as always, keep those wheels turning.
So long, farewell.